Hey guys, it's me, Arath, today. We have Coach Robert in the back. He's playing as offense. I'm playing defense. I'm going to be doing an offside kick. For you guys that don't know this is for the NFL. When they do this, when one of the teams are losing, not by too much, and they're low on time, and they have to get the ball back. So my goal is to do an offside kick, which I have to kick it at least 10 yards ahead of me towards them. But my goal is for them not to get it. They bounces off of them, or their players are too slow to get the ball. So my players could go in and get it. And let me demonstrate it for you. So as you see right there, I did the offside kick. Robert ended up getting it. In the NFL game, it's a hole up to grabs, but since he would be closer to it, he had more chances of it. There are times where the team gets the ball back. If you guys look up videos of offside kicks, you'll be able to see them. If not, football season's coming up soon, so we'll see how many of those are this season. I hope if you guys have any questions or any comments, comment down below. We'll be happy to answer them. Hope you guys have a good one.